Hey, it's Brian from RX Safety, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Wiley X prescription safety sunglasses so they look like brand new. So Wiley X lenses come in a number of different options. They have mirror coatings, polarization, different colors, and it's really important to properly clean your lenses so you don't damage any of these properties in the lenses. In this video, we're going to show you two different ways to clean your Wiley X lenses. The first one works great if you just have some smudging or some grease buildup on the lenses, and the second cleaning option is going to be if you took them off-roading and you dropped them in mud and they need a deep clean. So let's start with the first method. So like I said, this method is going to be great if you have some minor grease buildup or some smudging. You're going to want to use a cleaning solution spray. One important thing to note is before you clean your lenses, you should inspect them and make sure there's nothing caked onto the lenses. So once you're sure there's nothing stuck to the lenses, you can begin by liberally spraying the cleaning solution on both sides of the lenses. Now, simply take a microfiber cloth and clean your lenses in circular patterns. Avoid using any paper towel products or your clothes because these can damage the lenses. So that's it. RX Safety's cleaning solution is going to make your Wiley X lenses look like brand new. And now on to the second method. To clean your lenses, what you're going to want to use is Dawn dish soap, the blue bottle. Avoid using any soaps with added moisturizers, as these can actually damage the lenses. Begin by wetting your lenses. Avoid using hot water because hot water can damage the lenses or other components of the glasses. Begin by applying small amounts of the Dawn dish soap onto both sides of the lenses. Next, clean the lenses by rubbing your fingers in circular patterns over the lenses. Don't forget to get the temple bars or the nose pads as well. And when you're finished, rinse them with warm water. And now, just dry them with a microfiber cloth and you're good to go. So depending on how dirty your Wiley X lenses are, one of these options is going to work perfect for you. So to check out Wiley X's entire line of prescription safety sunglasses, visit the link in the description. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to us at rxsafety.com.